I'll just quickly talk about fundamental forces in nature. So we can explain everything with these four forces. The sequence goes from the strongest to the weakest. The strong nuclear force is the most powerful, followed by electromagnetic force, then the weak nuclear force, then finally gravity, which is the weakest of them all. Okay, strong nuclear force, this holds the protons and neutrons together in an atom's nucleus. Like imagine two magnets stuck really close inside a tiny nucleus. Electromagnetic force, this is what keeps your magnets sticking to your fridge, or what makes electric currents flow in wires. Weak nuclear force, this is involved in certain types of radioactive decay, like when a nucleus changes over time. And gravitational force, this is just what keeps us on the ground, pulling us to Earth. It's super familiar, but very weak compared to the others. Like it takes a huge mass to feel gravity strongly, like planets. So that's why it's the weakest.